English stories. The King and Macaw Parrots. Once upon a time, a king got two beautiful parrots. He asked a bird trainer to teach them to fly. One parrot, Sky, flew right away, loving the sky. The other, Branch, just sat on his branch. The king was sad. "Why won't Branch fly?" he asked. He called doctors and wise men, but no one could help. Branch liked his branch too much. The king then asked a farmer, Elias, to come. Elias looked at Branch and asked for an axe. He chopped the branch. Branch fell a little, got scared, and flew. Branch flew with Sky, and the king was happy. He asked Elias, "How did you do it?" Elias smiled. Branch was too comfortable. He didn't need to fly with a good branch. I took it away, so he had to fly. The king understood. Sometimes, we stay where it's easy, he said. We don't try new things. Branch had a safe place, but it kept him from flying. When it was gone, he learned he could fly. We are sometimes like Branch. We have comfortable things, like watching TV or playing games. We don't try new things, like reading or learning. But if we don't try, we don't know what we can do. We might be good at drawing, singing, or sports. We need to try, even if it's scary. We might fall a little, but then we will fly.